Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and I'll go on a rant here on thinking about the Insider program and thinking of who is left on the Insider program. Now, I think everybody was excited when Microsoft invented the Insider program. And we had access to new operating systems before everybody else. We had access to features before everybody else. There was a sense of direction. There was a sense of something cool. You had, the different rings back then, which were not named like it is today. And these rings were clear as to what they were. There was the most advanced ring, which was new features, possibility of instability. But you were testing the future of Windows. You were testing first the new things. Then the beta channel, which was or what was the second channel back then. There was a further testing of more stable features that are coming eventually. And it would end up in the release preview, which was the last step before it's released. It was clear that they were testing it. It was clear where we were going and what was going forward. But it lacked in so many ways. First of all, how many times did people actually go to the feedback hub and in the feedback hub, they just ignored or didn't see some of the things that the insiders were complaining about. They were complaining about how, some of the biggest problems that Windows 10 had in its different new versions. The Insider program worked for the fact that everybody was discovering these problems before. I saw a lot of the people saying, well, the Insider programs are with people that have no technical knowledge. For some, yes. For a lot, it's not the case. And even though it wasn't actually that was the problem, it didn't matter really. If Microsoft would have taken care of the feedback and taken care of what people are asking and what people are complaining about, so many things would have never happened to Windows. So many of the problems never would have showed up. The problem was not the Insider program itself with the users. The problem was the gathering of data and how it was processed and how they would not see most of the stuff. But still, and with, of course, these interesting moments in our, Windows Insider times, it was fun. We wanted to be there. We were thinking, well, maybe they're gonna, help out and Donna Sarkar, when she was there, it was like, she was participating. She was with us. Donna Sarkar made us feel like we are part of something cool, something big with Microsoft and helping out. Then Amanda Langowski arrived, and it's still her there. And I think it's a big mistake. And it shows that, we're going nowhere. We're going into all sorts of directions. Microsoft started introducing weird things where, A/B testing, some of you are having this, some of you are not having this. We enrolled into the Insider program for a simple reason. We want to test the stuff, the new things. You don't want to have some people have it, some people don't. It's useless anyways to do that. There's even there's no sense in doing it. But yet you do it. And then some insiders felt left off. I don't know how many times I was pissed by the fact that I didn't have a feature that they were mentioning. And as time went by, you know what? The insider program became absolutely boring. I had an insider channel that I would take care of that was going somewhere until they started going nowhere, and I had nothing else to talk about. There's nothing to talk about with the insider program now. Nothing. I've even abandoned talking about new builds on the main channel here for a simple reason: there's nothing interesting. And today's change with not knowing if something you're testing is or not, making it, not having any sense of direction, because none of the channels, Canary, Dev, and so on, are directed towards a specific version of Windows. So we have no sense of direction. And a lot of features are actually popping up and bypassing the insider channels and showing up on the stable channel. Then you know what? My take on it today is very simple. Kill the Windows Insider program. It's time to shut this thing off. It's time to take these people and assign them at something else. But it's time to kill the Insider program. It's useless now. Adding a canary with whatever is look. I also have noticed that, and thanks to someone on the channel that actually mentioned it. If you're on the dev channel right now, you're all gonna, everybody on the dev channel right now that has the latest build, we're all going to be pushed to that canary thing. I don't want to be there, honestly. My first thought was, well, you know what? I think it's time to maybe clean install this PC now and have just Windows 11 stable, and that's it. Because, and have absolutely no more PCs on the Windows Insider rings. I don't see why I should. I don't see why it's interesting. And I think I'd be curious to see how many people are actually on the Insider rings still today. I can bet you that they lost the majority of people that were insiders because nonsense and not worth wasting time installing a build every week or so on. So just big rant here at Microsoft. Kill the Insider program. Unless you fix it really well, like it used to be, forget it. You've lost your biggest enthusiasts. And I am part of that. And you know what? I want to remove this machine that you guys are seeing here on the screen from the Insider program. I don't want to be part of it anymore. How about you guys? How many of you were insiders? Are not anymore? How many of you are insiders and feel like, you know what, I feel the same and I want to remove myself because I don't see why I'm doing this? I'll share your own comments on this. But you know what? I'm there now. Kill the Insider program. It's over. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.